Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. I hope you have a great day. I'm preparing now to do my cardio.
Sana all.
Sometimes you need to be conscious to your health. Kailangan natin yan sa katawan, guys. Lalo na dito because every day is buffet. So sometimes it's so hard to stop yourself eating. Kaya you need to work out sometimes. Alright, for today's video, guys, I will show you a day in my life as a musician here abroad. Alright. Alright guys, now I'm on my way going to the gym. Ganda ng lugar dito, guys. Nakaka-relax siya. Medyo mahaba-haba ang usapan to. So transmission na translation. Ano ba yun? Basta yun na yun. Punta tayo sa gym kaagad. Yun, oh.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Dito na agad tayo sa gym, oh. And dito muna tayo sa bike ngayon kasi may mga gumagamit pa ng treadmill.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Lipat na lang tayo mamaya pagka may available na. Sige guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya after ko mag-cardio. Alright, see you guys.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I just finished my cardio.
Wala kaming pakialam!
I'm going back to my room. I'll take a shower. Then eat. So because I have a show at 1:15. So stand by guys. Alright. So yun guys, I'm on my way to the restaurant to eat.
Sana all.
So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung restaurant dito and yung mga menu nila na sobrang dami. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. So, yan, parte yan ng trabaho namin dito. Kailangan namin ngitian and batiin lahat ng guests.
Wala kaming pakialam!
So yun guys, standby kayo. Punta na ako sa resto. Alright.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, hindi tayo sa loob ng resto. Kuha muna tayo ng pagkain natin. Sarap ng mga pagkain yun. So yun guys, standby kayo. Kuha muna akong pagkain din. Balikan ko kayo. Alright.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I already get my food. See?
Oh, ang sarap.
I'm eating with my colleagues. Alright. Hi. So yun, kain muna tayo guys. Standby kayo. Alright guys, tapos na tayong kumain. Mayroon pa tayong konting oras para lakad-lakad and maya konti magse-set up na tayo ng ating mga gamit Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-set up. Here we go! So right guys, I just finished my performance. I'm going back to my room. Pahinga muna tayo.
Sana all.
And my next performance is what time? I forgot. 9:30 in the evening because today is a multicultural night. So you guys, I'll update you later on my second performance. Alright, see you!
One eternity later.
So right guys, so kita nyo naman, gabi na. And tambay muna tayo ng clinic. Antayin natin yung tropa natin. Kakain muna tayo bago tayo mag-perform. And hello, meron tayong event tonight, lion dance. Pakita rin ako ng konting clip ng lion dance. So antayin muna natin yung tropa natin para sabay-sabay kami kakain.
Sana all.
Alright.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, andito na hinihintay ko. Ayan. I'm vlogging my friend. Alright. So yun, kakain na kami guys. So update ulit ako.
You don't fasting to do.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much guys. Yung buti may nakailang kaming guests. Ayan. Thank you so much. Say hi to the camera.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Thank you so much. So yun, culture dito yun guys. Kailangan namin makikain sa mga guests.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Pagka kakain kami. It's a French culture. Yun lang. So pahinga lang konti. So balik na tayo sa trabaho. After ng lion dance, kanta na ulit tayo guys. So yun. Yan, mga staff dito yan. Ito tropa natin, Noisy. Alright. Yan, tatlo kaming Pinoy dito. Isa sa bar, ako, tapos yun, yung maintenance. So ngayon guys, magsiset up na ako ng mga anik-anik ko sa stage para sa performance. Alright, see you guys. Update ulit ako.
2,000 years later.
So yun guys, yun yung lion dance. Exhibition yan and nakapag-set up na rin tayo. Alright. So tugtugan na to. Alam niyo na kasunod. Alright, see you guys.
75 years later.
So yun guys, di na ako napag-video dun sa tugtugan namin, pero ang saya kasi nagduo kami ng finance manager. Parang full band din yung tunog.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
So chill na lang ako ngayon, tapos na ang aking trabaho. So yan, nakikipag-chill na lang ako sa mga tao dito, sa team ko. Yan. People from South Africa and Russia. Alright, guys. Alright.
Oh, shots. Many shots.
So yun lang guys. Yun na yung nangyari sa a day in my life ko. Parang walang kabuhay-buhay. Hello sir.
Yo, good stuff, man.
Thank you so much. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Kabayan.
Kabayan.
Ayan. Hello.
Hey, what's up,
May
man?
nakita akong kabayan dito. Saan ka sa Pinas?
Oh, I actually live in New Zealand.
Ah, now.
We are born in New Zealand.
Ah, born in New Zealand, but you can speak Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Konti lang. That's good. You can
Yeah,
understand.
Mame.
Because it's so hard for me to understand.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
We're doing karaoke inside. Well, you might be a bit too good for that, but we're doing karaoke inside.
Sure.
Ano ang sa inyo? Natamimi kayo, ano?
Alright, enjoy.
Alright, ingat, Brad.
So yun, nakakita pa tayo ng kabayan natin, no? So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again sa next vlog.